How to pay the minimum amount on credit card and Scotiabank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to pay the minimum amount on credit card of Scotiabank, here is the process. Head over to the Scotia application and log in into your account. After that, from the credit card section, select the credit card that you want to pay. Tapping on it should take you to another page from where select on the pay option. There are two payment amounts. The first one is the minimum payment and the second is statement balance. Select the payment method that you want to continue with and then slide to transfer. Once that is done, you have successfully paid the minimum amount on Scotiabank credit card. But make sure you are aware of the due dates to avoid the late fees, and paying only the minimum amount can also result in interest charges on the remaining balance. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.